Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to cancel Discord subscriptions. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up the Discord, or you can also follow the same procedure if you are going through the Discord application on your mobile. So open up the Discord and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you will get to see this interface on your desktop. Now head over to the left hand side of this interface, and on your profile name you will get user settings. So click on user settings icon. Then you will be taken to your settings page. Again, from this left menu box you will get a bunch of menus. From there, under billings settings, you will get subscriptions. So click on subscriptions. Then if you have made any subscriptions or if you have any active subscriptions on your Discord account, then all that subscription will be loaded on this interface. If not, then you will not have any active subscriptions. Now along with your subscription you will get a cancel button. So click on cancel button. Once you click that, it will ask you to continue. Again, click on continue, and after that you have to confirm as well. Then click on confirm. Once you confirm, your subscription will get cancelled. And that's how you can simply cancel Discord subscriptions. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.